the Last Ditch 2.0. Stick around. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Three River Blades. So if you are tuning in, thank you very much. This is the 2.0 Last Ditch. They are available on the website. They're made out of 52-100 if you're interested in that. It's ball bearing, carbon steel, really tough stuff. And I did put some purple wood on there. All right, the customer wanted some really nice purple wood and I was able to procure that. So again, that's also an option on there. Guys, what I need you to do is to like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. It really helps the algorithms. Go ahead and watch the rest of this video and I'll catch up with you in a minute. Alright guys, I hope you appreciated that video, that presentation. Again, it's 100 degrees in here and I just don't have an air conditioner. Had a couple fans going, but I gotta shut them off to make sure that you guys can hear me, otherwise hear me. Now this is purple wood, purple hardwood they call it. You can get them like this. Alright, so you get this slab at knife kits or whatever your distributor wants. Comes in a 1/4 of an inch slab. The only thing I don't like about hardwoods is that they do tend to split, so you do have to keep this handle a little bit more moisturized, or at least I put oil on it, like the ballistol. It works great on everything, so you can put that on the handle as well. So that'll help you out as well. So also comes with a Kydex sheath. This sheath is a scout carry. Again, that's what the customer wanted, a scout carry, so you can take this off and flip it around the other side. This is a left to right draw. If you flipped this over on the other side, you would just flip the knife around and it would come out in that fashion. You could also get your Kydex sheets in a horizontal fashion if you wanted to. 3/8 inch holes, all right, for the lanyards. If you want to put a lanyard on there, it does have a little bit of jimping up top, and it is a very flat on top if you want to use a ferrocerium rod. Hollow grind, gun blued. There's really not much more you can do to this knife. It is bomb proof, 4-inch handle, 4-inch blade. Really, really nice. Again, I would highly recommend this for any bushcrafter, or if you just want a small knife to tote around with you while you're hunting or camping. This is a fantastic blade. Alright guys, what I need you to do is to like, subscribe, share, do all that good stuff. It really does help the algorithms out. If you want one of these, they are available on the website. Go to threeriverblades.com and go order now. If you want to watch videos like this before anybody else, please make sure that you go and become a Patreon member. Okay guys, thank you very much, and as always, keep grinding.